Good morning, everybody. It's me back again, and Yariel. So today we're gonna be on the hunt for a
go-kart.
master link for the go-kart because I broke it last night.
Yeah, it broke.
And now Yariel can't drive it, so I gotta go to the local Tractor Supply and see if I can find see if they have a master link over there.
Oh yeah, go-kart time. Today we're gonna fix the go-kart again! Yay!
You gonna fix it again?
Yeah!
So, last night I took it for a rip.
Yeah.
And
Fix it!
the master link for the chain came off. So what I ended up doing was just buying a complete chain. Comes with a master link and everything. So I'm gonna have to end up replacing the whole thing. The reason that the chain came off was because the bottom gear with the clutch gear, the input gear or whatever, input shaft, they were not lining up. They were not lining up correctly. So right now I still need to adjust it a little bit more, and then after that I will be able to install the chain and it will not have that binding noise that it had before. So I'm gonna adjust it real quick, and then after that I'll install the chain. So right now I am adjusting that, removing that nut, loosening it so it can have some movement, and then I'm gonna make sure it's nice and flush with the other one. So after that is said and done, I will tighten it back and then I'll install the chain. No, I got it already lined up. So now I'm gonna put on the jack stands and then I'm gonna install the chain real quick.
So the shiny thing is gone. The shiny is
I didn't know when they sell you the whole thing, you get from here all the way over here and all that. So I'm gonna cut it right there, and I'm gonna have all that left over. That'll be great for future projects. So these are the 3 tools that I use to separate those links from the chain. So pretty much you know, hammer, mallet or whatever, center punch, and then open it, adjustable wrench. Because what I do is I grab the wrench, put it on the link that I want to remove, and then I'll hit it with a center punch like that, and hit it real hard until it start loosening it up. So there we go. That's how you remove it. So I just noticed that the chain that I got is it's a little bit more thick than the other one, so it's actually rubbing like over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end up just reusing the same one and using the master link that it came on the new chain. Are you ready to drive it?
Yeah.
So this is something else. So I end up getting the chain, not replaced, fixed. I put the master link from the new chain on this one because the one that I bought from Tractor Supply is too thick and it was just hidden here on the sides. So I'm gonna have to end up getting that replaced. I'm probably gonna end up buying one from eBay or something like that. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Yariel will be driving it, right, Bobby?
Yeah.
How fast you gonna go? Two what?
Too fast.
Too fast?
No, like two. Two of them.
You're gonna do a wheelie on it?
Like three.
You're gonna end up doing a wheelie on it?
Yeah, like three on it.
Okay. Three speeds. So it's a slow, medium, and fast. So you're gonna go fast?
A little bit fast.
A little bit fast?
Yeah, like this.
Let me see. Let me see them skills. Uh-oh. Which one's the brakes?
Brakes, gas.
Okay.
The
Alright.
wheels, front, back, back, front.
Yep. So we're gonna go on the first test drive. Yare will be the driver. And yeah, let's see how this thing rips. Ready, Bubba?
Yeah.
Have the brake on?
Yeah.
Brake on, okay. Not yet. Don't do nothing until I tell you, okay? Okay, you're gonna drive, okay? Yeah, we were over there. I don't know if you caught it, but this ain't Papa Wheelie. You like it? Hey, say in the camera if you like it or not.
I like it.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go try it out. Okay?
Please, I can go here to do it. It's still up.
No, you can't.
Why?
You can get hurt.
I won't.
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I can do that, so I can stand up. Please. Well, I say brake, gas, you go. Go brake.
Bring back memories when I was a little kid.
Why? Yeah.
What do you think? Your dad is crazy?
Yeah.
So we got over here, we got Mom. She's about to rip on the go-kart. Are you ready?
Yeah.
No, papi, no. Alright. Not yet, not yet, not yet. go. Gas, there. Yeah, still gotta fix that chain. It's still making some noise. Look at her, she's hauling ass. Watch out! Watch out! This thing is so much fun. Break, break, break! So how was it?
It was fun. Shit is fast as fuck. I mean, whoop. I shouldn't.
This thing definitely is a ripper. She can go, she can definitely move. So yeah, can't wait to take it to the not the racetrack, to the mud. So we can take it to the mud and we can go off-roading with it. So if you guys want to see that on a future video, please thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Tell them thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Like,
Like,
subscribe
subscribe
for more videos.
for more videos.
So thank you all for watching our videos and I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.